Good morning, Kinders and Kinder families. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, and I will be seeing you all shortly wearing your sports gear for our 9 a.m. Google Meet. Today for learning activities, you're going to go to April 22nd and you are going to count by tens and then ones. And well, good morning, Sydney. Real life happening behind here, folks. We are going to practice counting by tens and ones, practicing numbers 50 to 79. You have a choice, Kinders, to do the workbook page or a shark numbers game. Then for reading, you're going to do day 3 for comprehension, day 3 for phonics. There is a seesaw activity in there for you. Word work is those ball words. Magic Treehouse has another chapter there. Then for your journal entry, you're going to write about something that animals need on a farm today and share to Seesaw. And then, friends, it's Earth Day today, which is really cool and really special. And if we were at school, we would have been doing some really fun activities together. But I think the kindergarten teachers and I have come up with some fun ones for you to do at home. So you will have a read aloud for Earth Day, an activity, a couple different ones. There's a Boom Learning game as well with the code to get in, and then another optional craft. So you know what? Families, just have fun with it and do what you can, okay? All right, I hope everyone has a great happy Earth Day, and if you need me, I am here for you. Otherwise, I can't wait to see you in a few minutes on our Google Meet. Bye!